70,000 is cheap, and he was way more than that. Leave it at that. Say that again. He's an exotic bully. Pagani is an exotic bully. Yes, sir. Well, let's say he wasn't cheap. I mean, I don't got exacts, but 70,000 is cheap, and he was way more than that. Leave it at that. You said what makes a dog expensive?
Yeah, what makes this dog?
Okay. So, what makes Pagani different and worth the money is the way he was bred. So basically, China are the owners of Red Police, and they're the owners of Urus blood. So this blood is hard to find in the United States because it's not from here. So the fact that his blood is exclusive and the frame of what he looks like basically says it all. You know, and of course, like I said, he's an extreme. I've been in the dog game since I was a little kid. It's a passion. I mean, honestly, it's really not about the money. I like messing with dogs. I like putting dogs together. And if you have my type of mind frame, you basically know how to create a dog. I got a dog in my head, and I'm just trying to create him. But I've been doing it since I was a kid. So the fact that I get a chance to play with it as an older person, that's a dream come true. Don't half step. Don't be scared to put up enough money to separate you from everybody else. The way I was always taught was if you're gonna get in the dog game, especially in the bully game, start at the top tier. Start at the top, don't start at the bottom. Because if you start in the basement, you're only gonna create what's already been created. But if you start at the top, you can evolve the best and evolve it to even a better class. So start at the top, don't start at the bottom. So if you want to find me, you can find me at Facebook, Pedro Luis Sebastro, or you can find me on Instagram, Evolution Red, home of Pagani. That's where we at. This movement right here is something that you don't find here. The only way I separated myself from everybody else was I did something that most won't do. And I left the country to find the best. And I brought the best. It's Pagani time.
Exotic bully. Yes, sir. Micro exotic bully. Anywhere range from $3,500 to $10,000. Depending on certain dogs, if the promotion is right, go up to anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 of a dog. The quality of the dog, also the care of the breed. You know, it's a little more maintenance with these dogs. You know, and you don't have to take maintenance because they're as normal as another dog, but you take a little more care out of your time and your day and spend with these smaller little dogs to make sure they got the nurturing, the caring at home. I've been dealing with dogs my whole life. When I came to my first dog show, which was surrounding San Antonio area, I seen this breed of dog, and I seen it, I ran with it. I found a prodigy that I could run with, and I went and bought my own dog, and I've been starting from there. Before you get into this business, understand it's not cheap. It's very doable. Anything's possible. My name is Propane Bullies Mark White. You can find me in Killeen, Texas, and all the Central Texas surrounding areas. Propane Bullies _ Mark White on Instagram. Propane Bullies Mark White on Facebook. Get at me now.
Man, we breed exotics and micros, bro. This is 4KL kennels. We breed exotics and micros. Man, we average on anywhere from 1,500 to 5. My biggest sale to date is about 7,500, bro. But I mean, you know, we working at it. We about 4 generations in on top and bottom of the breeding. So we working at it consistently, trying to get it done. Man, that's a good question. The marketing, to me, it's the marketing, the style of dog. It's the in thing right now. That's what everybody after. That's what everybody chasing. So, you know, but for me, it's the love of the dogs. You know, we've been doing it since I was a kid, since I can remember. But now we got into the exotic breed, the micro breed, the American Bully. But we're trying to perfect it, get it to our level of perfection. Man, I've been having dogs since I was 3 years old. My first dog name was Smoke. I'm quite sure everybody had a dog named Smoke when they was a kid, man. But we've been growing it. I went to the other side of bulldogging, game dogs for a while. But now I fell in love with just the American Bully breed, micro exotics, the exotic breed, man. Man, stay consistent. Believe in your vision. Don't let nobody detour you from what they're saying. But at the same time, accept sound advice from people. You know, don't be kennel blind. You know, allow people to accept what they say, but still follow your vision, man. You'll get to that point one day, man. Accept the losses is good with the pluses and the minuses. Man, I'm 4KL Kennels on Instagram. I'm Kevin Ray on Facebook. My sons are, 4KL Kennels. Kyler on Instagram. 4KL Kennels Canaan on Instagram. We located in the DFW area, man. We got a stud by the name of Church. He's a 10-month-old. Stack him, Colin. That's Church. This is Kruger, this is the dad. Right here, we got about 3 generations, bro. We got the dad, the son, the daughter, and the other son, all right here. I'm on the pedigree, top and bottom at least 2 times on all of these dogs. So consistency is the key, man.
This is a big rope French Bulldog. What was that? Him, I produced him, so I'll say priceless. Really, his temperament, his body, the size he is at 5 months, you don't even think he's 5 months. I've been around dogs since I was a kid. My dad, he been breeding for like 30-some years. Do your research for sure. It's always good to like feel people out before you link up with them. Find good people. I know what they're doing and talking about, and just learn on your own too. Spanish Russ on Facebook, Paper Route Frenchies on Instagram. This Baby Perk. I'm coming for best puppy in the show.